Today's review is on this sweet white K70 RGB keyboard. It is a mechanical keyboard, an RGB LED backlights. This is the white version. Black is another version you can get of this. It is wired. Take this keyboard anywhere and it has it set up, saved, and the different RGB backlighting configurations. Really cool feature is the USB pass-through port. This thing is built for lifetime gaming, so you're definitely gonna get your money's worth whenever you buy this bad boy. Highly recommended product to use.